following portion of Bloom is sponsored by SkinGenuity LLC.
Welcome back to Bloom. There's a new form of regenerative medicine for aesthetics called targeted regenerative medicine. Joining me now is the CEO of SkinGenuity, Paul Guilbaud, who is using Nobel-Prize winning technologies to improve skin and hair. Welcome to Bloom. It's such a pleasure.
Hi there, Gail.
So talk to me, what exactly is regenerative medicine?
It's the branch of medicine that focuses on the repair and regeneration of tissues, organs and cells. So it's normally done with growth factors. That's the messaging.
So what are intercell messengers?
Well, it's a phrase we coined to explain two things. The first is human growth factors. So we use bioengineered growth factors, and those are, as I said, Nobel-Prize winning technology, and those are communicating with our cells. And the second technology, which is also Nobel-Prize winning, is DNA repair enzymes, and those are helping to repair your UV damage in the skin that you've collected over your lifetime.
So what makes SkinGenuity different?
Well, that's the real issue here. So because we use bioengineered growth factors as opposed to human-derived, we are able to select the exact type of growth factor, put them in a right combination to target a specific tissue, and able to dose them. So for example, for skin, we've created a regenerative serum that physicians use in their office for a procedure called microneedling. And we've even got a kit which we've created, which is here, which is allowing you to improve your results from going to the physician by doing and applying this at home with our medical grade skincare.
Yeah, the before and after pictures we were showing both on the skin and the hair are just remarkable when,
yes,
when you see what this system can do. Now, are there any side effects?
No side effects whatsoever. These are growth factors that are actually produced by your own body. So all we're doing is we're replenishing the growth factors that you had failed to have.
And do you start to see results pretty quickly?
Yes, absolutely. The results come within 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the growth of your hair or the regeneration of your skin. We also have a product which is very good for vaginal rejuvenation, for vaginal health. And this is because 75% of women over the age of 45 were found to have symptoms of genitourinary syndrome of menopause. This is a real problem, as you can see with the numbers, and these are things like symptoms such as vaginal dryness, painful sex, repetitive UTI infections, malodorous discharge, and basically our product is able to deal with all of these issues, even for postpartum women. So it's a really big improvement on your quality of life and has a big impact.
Yeah, this is unbelievable to hear about this technology, and especially the fact that it is all in an at-home kit that people can use.
Absolutely.
In the comfort of their own home. Thank you so much for sharing this with our Bloom viewers.
Well, thank you very much indeed for having me.
And you can learn more at SkinGenuity.com. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by SkinGenuity LLC.